Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Healthcare India, and today we'll be discussing about something very interesting, something very different, something which has been, in the building for the last 1 year, and it caught our eyes somewhere around January, and since then we've been looking at, the different perspectives on how it's being used in the healthcare industry. And today we'll be talking about robots and how are these robots being used in the Indian healthcare infrastructure to provide better patient outcomes. Let's jump right into the episode. Last year we saw कि कैसे एक बहुत बड़े disease outbreak के वजह से our entire healthcare infrastructure took a big hit. But then this year we have come out of it and we have come very far, right? A lot of patients have been treated. A lot of patients are safely going back home. A lot of people have been vaccinated. So entirety में काफी positive लगता है पूरा चीज, and we give a lot of credit to our current healthcare workers, as we very aptly say our healthcare superheroes. But then there was one more element to it which did not go as noticed as the actual human beings, and that was robots. Now, robots had a huge role to play in containing this outbreak. The first robot which comes to my mind is the humanoid elf, which was developed by Milagro Robots.
Hello, I am Milagro Robot ELF.
Now, last year only, AIIMS actually, got in contact with Milagro Robots, and they, settled on a deal wherein these humanoid elves will be equipped within the AIIMS systems. Along with that, there was another robot, which was the IMAP 9, which was responsible for their floor cleaning and sanitization. And it used the sodium hypochlorite solution, which was actually recommended by ICMR to sanitize surfaces. The best part was not the IMAP 9, but the ELF robot. Now, what the ELF robot made sure was that the doctors or any other healthcare workers did not have to be in person present in front of the patient, and this decreased the amount of infections, or the risk of infections that the doctors or the healthcare workers had to incorporate within their day-to-day services. Now, what this made sure was that the doctors could check on their patients who were COVID positive, or there could be a telepresence of the doctor or the nurses in front of the patients, even when they were not required to be there. So they could just be on the screen, and the robot would go in front of the patient, and सारा interaction वैसे ही हो जाता था. Next, it was also capable of singing and dancing and screening movies. और ये सारी चीजें for a patient who's tested COVID positive, they have to remain in isolation for a very long time, and sometimes ये phase के during the patients try get anxious, the patients sometimes get feel lonely, and this robot helped them in going a long way, making them cheerful and keeping that liveliness inside them during these harsh times. So Milagro's humanoid elf was one of the first robots that comes to my mind when I think of robots. Next up was the Mitra or the Mitri robot, which was developed by Bangalore-based startup called Invento Robotics. Now, this robot also served a similar purpose, just like the humanoid elf, but Fortis did a very interesting thing out of this robot, and वो ये था कि they installed it in front of their gates, and जब भी कोई patient बाहर से अंदर आता था, then it would screen the patient, it would take its photograph, it would take the phone number and the contact details, it will take the patient's temperature, and it would also ask the patient if he or she had any symptoms of COVID-19. अगर patient agree करता था तो उन्हें किसी ऐसे ward में भेजा जाता था जहाँ पे COVID-19 patients है, और this would prevent a lot of patients who had COVID symptoms entering the normal building of the hospital, which also goes ahead and plays a huge role in minimizing the risk of other people getting infected from patients. So this is one thing that the robot used to do, and the entire interface was very cool. Like when we were actually looking at the screening process, when we were looking at how it actually works, it was really futuristic. It seemed like a sci-fi movie and we were watching it. One thing additionally that this also helped was कि suppose कोई patient को अपने घर पे किसी से बात करनी है. So the Mitra robot or the Mitri robot also facilitated making video calls with your friends and family. So this gave a kind of personal touch to the COVID-19 patients who were there in the hospital, so that they did not have to meet someone in person, but they could always be connected to their loved ones during those harsh times. And there is also one additional feature that Fortis actually undertook was that कि अगर कोई patient को anxiety feel हो रही है, अगर कोई patient lonely feel कर रहा है, if a patient is not feeling well mentally, then they were also availing psychiatrists on video calls through this robot. So the robot would go in front of the patients and it could help them interact with anyone they want to. So that was a really good step by Fortis and Yatharth Super Speciality Hospital. These were the two hospitals जिनके हमको वीडियो मिले हैं online. But I guess that a lot more hospitals would have actually incorporated these amazing robots. अच्छा, तो ये अब बात हो गई टेली प्रेजेंस की, and this was not the only job that robots were doing. There were some really interesting places wherein we saw robots, take control of the activities that previously humans used to do, but because of the pandemic, everyone was locked in, and these, practices were not being, actually executed. And robots actually played a very huge role in all of these things. बहुत सारे countries में हमने actually देखा कि these, robots were sanitizing entire rooms in, schools and in colleges. There were robots which were used in commencement ceremonies, जहाँ पे, students could virtually attend their own commencement ceremonies, but the actual, certificates were given to robots. Then there were also food delivery के लिए बहुत सारे, robots थे, wherein, the hotels used to just wrap up your, food, put it inside that robot, and the robot would deliver it to you. We also saw some very interesting applications like a tailor using robots to get measurements of his clients so that he did not have to meet them in person or take the measurements in person. There were also robots installed in old age homes, and these robots helped these old people to get in contact with their loved ones in a time when all of us were locked in inside our homes. So ये सब तो हो गई बाहर की बातें. अब इंडिया में there were also some other robots which were doing some really interesting work. Now one of those was in Trichy. Now there was a sari shop in Trichy which was using a robot that was kind of made out of a mannequin, and what they were doing is this mannequin would go around, and it would recognize a person standing, and it would offer them sanitizer so that they could sanitize their hands as soon as they entered the shop. And that was a really interesting use of robotics. Next up, we also saw that in Hyderabad there were drones which were being flown around, and these drones were capable of detecting COVID-19 patients in the surroundings of in the neighborhood. So this also played a huge role in understanding where all COVID-19 patients might be there, and in which all places were the numbers or was the density of COVID-19 patients the maximum. So these drones, even in a very small flight, were serving a very big picture. We also saw how a Coimbatore-based engineer actually made a robot that could take test swabs from people who thought that they had COVID-19 like symptoms and they wanted to get tested. So that was yet another interesting use case of robotics. And there were other robots around the world which were also serving food. There were robots who were serving as waiters. There were robots who were also working in kiosks and serving beverages to the customers. And these were some really interesting use cases. And just thinking about it makes me feel hungry. So I'll go and grab some food. Till then, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if we managed to make you a little more aware about how robotics is actually working in the healthcare sector, do not forget to hit that subscribe button as well as like and share this video. It will really mean a lot to us. Thank you so much for now. Till next time, peace.